Welcome to Business Live. I am Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Honey Bun Limited, makers of the Shorty bread and Shorty products. Their annual general meeting, AGM, it's an advisory here. They're coming out with this that their AGM is going to be held on Wednesday, March 9th next month, 2022 at 10 a.m. in the morning at the Courtly Hotel and Suites. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, updated net asset value, that's the NAV here, moving closer to $14 Jamaican per share as at February 9th, 2022. That's the NAV, the net asset value. It closed at $13.87 per share. That's $13.87. PanJam Investment Limited, dividend consideration here. PanJam typically meets, that's the board, quarterly in terms of their dividend, and they declare typically a nice one. Not a huge dividend yield stock. You probably get more on the capital growth side there by PanJam, but their dividend is building ever so slowly. The bottom line here, the directors are scheduled February 28th, 2022, the end of this month. A first interim dividend payment will be considered by the directors of PanJam. Now our very own JPS Jamaica Public Service Company. Talk about big time results here. Although it's preference shares that are listed, a lot of different classes of preference shares, not the ordinary shares. Now almost hitting $1 billion in top line, that's revenue for 2021 last year. Strong financial numbers by JPS. Now the full year and the fourth quarter, respectively, earnings up 16% and 44%. I mean, double digit returns here. You know, talk about hedging for inflation, no pun intended. Now for the full year 2021, operating revenue hit exactly $973 million. JPS.'s financials are in US dollars, not Jamaican dollars. Now for the fourth quarter, operating revenue hit $275 million. If you analyze that, wow, you're talking about they're going to be over $1 billion sooner rather than later. Now net profit for 2021 was $36 million versus $31 million. That's at 16% growth or so we're talking about. Now net profit for the fourth quarter alone was $9.56 million. JPS really racking up the profits here for 2021 and the fourth quarter. Annualize that run rate, a big number potentially for this year. Last up, Palace Amusement, other side of the tape. Not so fortunate. This is Palace Amusement Company, 1921. Mounting some losses here, but they got a lot of cash and investments on the balance sheet. That's a good side. This is for the second quarter. Palace Amusement here surprisingly racked up more losses. We thought they would have re-engineered, the business and got this better, but probably they took on some more expenses, admin expenses to get the business going again. So losses worsening in the second quarter. They registered 111.6 million of net losses in Q2. That's the period ended December 31st, 2021, an increase from the net loss of 81.7 million in the comparative period in 2020. On the positive note, we've got to take some good stuff away here from Palace Amusement. I mean, it is our cinema company in Jamaica. Revenue improved 151 million from the peak. Maybe they're 100 million away, and that's from 37 million only. So this is a positive headline here. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a fantastic weekend. This is Business Live.